Alright, Austin, go for it. Your first flight. There you go, dude. You're flying. Peel back on the... oh! Too much. There you go. Oh! Don't let it hit me, dude! Got it right over me. So you're crazy, dude. You're crazy. Nice, dude. Nice flying. Check it out. Nice. Pointing the spotlight right at me. Oh, about to hit the couch. Oh, you're good. You're good. Check out how stable that thing flies, man. Oh. Oh. Alright, stop. I'll reset it. Alright, dude, go for it. Oh, did you have it up full throttle that time?
It's dead.
It's dead? Full throttle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dead now? It's already shut off? Oh well. Well, that was cool.